2, 3, funky.
Okay, finally I got this. All right, I have this black pepper noodles. तो बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा है, spicy. But I know that you didn't need the translation, but this is damn spicy. I just took 2 bites of it, and so anyway, I thought I'll do a mukbang kind of a video where I can just talk about things, कुछ discuss करते हैं, and don't judge my lingo because it's gonna be Hindi and English both. This is gonna be super cash. Wow. चलो ठीक है. Anyway, don't get inspired by me eating these noodles because they are just noodles, and don't take it to the heart, you know. I'm a human. These are amazing noodles. By the way, I got them in Nature's Basket. Unavailable everywhere, just in Nature's Basket. These noodles kind of remind me of all my relationships because they're very nice and you know they look very good. The kind of effect that they leave on you kind of teach you a lesson, you know, like I'm not gonna eat this again. Basically, appearances can be deceptive. I shouldn't have added thyme. Damn spicy, damn spicy. So, lockdown 8, 9, 10, I don't know what is going on, but still it's going on. And I realized that whatever the situation is, if there is lockdown, no lockdown, whatever it is, it's just stupid that the environment around you makes you feel like you're useful or useless, you know. There are a lot of people in this lockdown who actually stopped working or being productive because the situation called for it, you know, like there was nothing to do, there were no resources, but nobody nahi yaar, matlab very less people actually took the initiative to do something new or to try some new skill set and you know to start something which is actually amazing. और मैंने किया है YouTube. See, I know YouTube is not very apt for me, but I always wanted to do YouTube, and why not? And for some reason, YouTube is a platform where I can actually talk my heart out. You guys are there to listen. Super sweet. Again, ये सब मेरी जो गाली नहीं दे सकती मैं यार, मम्मी देखती है. So anyway, ये सब जो मेरे shenanigans है, it's all you know like partially me. जो मेरे असली दोस्त है, they know असली दोस्त क्या होता है. मेरे दोस्त असली है ये.
Okay.
जो मेरे दोस्त है, they know how I am in real life. So I am kind of hoping कि मैं आगे जाके I try to you know show my true self to you guys. English is my language. English is everybody's language, and English looks very nice and aesthetic apparently. But हिंदी वाली जो feel होती है ना, वो हिंदी में होती है. And I think I'm gonna get more comfortable with Hindi later on because that's my मातृभाषा, and I don't want to like skip on it because YouTube wants something from me. There's this kind of personality that I've shown on Instagram, and then there's me at home, in front of my friends, in front of family. Completely different, like a weird alien creature just on earth. You know that kind of scene जब Mr. Bean ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है and a light of a light of beam whatever falls on Bean. Doing joke Roshni. So ऐसे चीजें करती हूँ ना मैं. So I am not boasting. I'm not. This is like self introduction. You know, I've not introduced myself yet. So maybe this is the kind of introduction that you all needed. And the people who know me, they know me very very less, because they think they know me but they don't know me, and even I don't know myself. I think the kind of profession that I am in demands English language and looking pretty and on a point and all that. But I think I have like two different kind of personalities, and that's the best, because when I can be with him, that's my brother, and he gets super conscious. He gets super conscious when I show the camera, but whatever. He is one person I can legit say knows me. Like, he knows me, because I can be whatever I want to in front of him, and he's not going to give a shit about it. So, no fine given from my brother and my best friend. So, I think I chose YouTube because I wanted to do something which is more of me and not of the modeling side, So I think ठीक है यार, मतलब ये एक platform था जब मुझे try करना था to be my other self. I just don't want to be this person when I'm home or whatever. I just want to be more free, I think. So I think YouTube is a zaria, like a way where I can buy my own freedom, I think. And buy my own freedom is too much. That doesn't sound right. But in a way, when I know that I can do something which is out of my comfort zone, and it's again not very uncomfortable because it is me, but the only challenge will be to post the video finally, to publish it, because there will be so many thoughts coming to my head. ऐसे हरकतें करती हूँ मैं. And I'll tell you what is the relation between me telling you this, because I never behave like that apparently on Instagram. Because there are people on my Instagram who will be like, अरे खाते वक्त बात क्यों कर रही है? अरे, she's a model, she's not supposed to behave like that. Oh, hair is not made. Oh, her background is raw. Oh, makeup not done. But the point is, you just be yourself. And I have two accounts on Instagram. One where I am my professional side and one where I am my personal side. Not many of you know the other account. But that account is hilarious for my friends, because that's another zone of me. So I think I'm going to do more of this on YouTube. Yeah, there's going to be a section where lifestyle, fashion and other things will be there. But there'll be more of me being random and weird. So welcome to the family, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, come on.